So this is our second turn in which we are going to study the plane table and its applications. In plane table there are 4 methods, out of which the first one we have already discussed, that was the radiation method, wherein the area is very plain and from the central position you can able to see all the stations and you can locate them. But now the hurdle is sometimes the station points you cannot measure the distance. That is the main reason why the another method has been discovered, which is called intersection method. Suppose there is a waterlogged area or maybe a river in between. This is stream of water. There are 2 stations, let us say maybe one station which I want to locate. To locate one station, I will select 2 station points here, which will be M station and say N station, which are at pre-decided distance from 15 to 20 meters. Why this? I will tell you the reason. Okay, why we are using minimum 15 meters and not more than 30 meters. Because if you put the table here, from the table you should be able to see the peg at N, and that is possible only if the distance is more than 15. Otherwise, that line of inclination and line of sight will not be available. So from M station, what we are going to do is, by bisecting the ranging rod at A, we are going to draw a line towards A. And then from station N also, we are going to draw a line. Wherever these 2 lines are intersecting, that will be the exact position. So we have not measured the distance, only the direction of the lines are drawn and intersecting point is giving the position of station A. Similarly, say there is one more station B. So we can do the same process. You draw a line from M to N by bisecting and from N to B by bisecting. Wherever these MB and NB lines are meeting, that will be the exact position. And so this method is called intersection method. Okay, where the distance is not possible to measure, we are using this method. Pause. So supposing in the same way we put one red and white ranging rod, let us say that was our A station. Similarly, see the station A, the ranging rod has been kept. I will zoom it. Yes, this is the ranging rod at A. Similarly, another point which you want to bisect is the station B. So it has been kept with a ranging rod of 2 meters, black and white. Okay. And now to bisect these two, or to locate these 2 positions, we have selected M station with a peg here, and from M at 20 meters distance from M to N, see there is a peg. Okay, sorry, showing the peg with the finger, and these M N stations are being kept at 20 meters distance by measuring the tape. Now let us start the procedure. We need is 2 pegs, ranging rods depending upon number of stations, tripod stand, again 3 legs with a swing nut at bottom, and the table has been kept over here, and the swing nut is to be tightened, not fully now, just to hold it. Okay, and this whole assembly is to be kept over here in such a way that the station point can be marked on your drawing sheets. Like, see what care I am taking. This is not called centering, because in centering the center of table is kept on a peg. Here we have to maintain that from here if I draw an arc, this should be falling within this arcs triangle. उसके अंदर ही होना चाहिए. Reason I will tell you later. So this point is not exactly at the center. It should be little bit away. So mind that thing. Next, there are various accessories. Like, first of all, of the table, you check the leveling with a spirit level. This is called spirit level. There is a bubble inside that bubble tube. Okay, how you have to check? You keep on a table any position and see the bubble is not at the center. So to bring the bubble at the center, the legs which are at bottom are to be radially taken inward and outward, and it is to be brought approximately at the center for one position. Let us say it is now, even you can use the swing nut to some extent. Now it is exactly at the center. Now you keep the position perpendicular to the earlier position, and again you have to repeat the procedure. First of all, with the legs you check whether the bubble is at the center, and again with the swing nut you check whether the bubble comes at the center, and now try to fix the swing. Now the bubble is at the center for this position as well as for this position. So this leveling is over with a spirit level. Stop. Screw, and using the trough compass we have to mark the north direction. See, it is very sensitive, so it is oscillating. Now right now I know there is north on this side, so I am just put the compass in that way. So I am bringing it to the approximation, and then just by tapping we'll see the needle, magnetic needle is going 5 readings on that side and 5 graduations on this side, so that itself indicates it is exactly at the north, and so now it is showing exactly in the north. So what I will do is, here the plane table which is based on a principle of parallelism, so the line which is showing here is exactly parallel here, so I will show the north direction. So my north direction has been marked. Stop. Alided. Now using the alided, the plane table has been mounted on station M. Remember, in plane table the rule is the station points which we are going to mark on the drawing sheet are to be written with small letters. Okay, so I am checking with U fork whether the plumb bob is exactly at the center of the peg or not, and this U fork is maintaining this plumb line is exactly matching with this toe. So I have marked the station M. Similar procedure we will do at N later on. And see, the drawing sheet is fixed. So my station M is marked now. What I will do is, I will not turn the position of the instrument, taking the alided into account. Okay, wherein for a alided which is of 50 to 60 centimeters, there is a sharp edge on one side which is called beveled edge. There is a window here with horsehair, so this is called object vane, and here it is called eye slit. Okay, so what I am doing is putting the M station, the pencil toe or a tip, and I will turn the position in such a way that I will be able to bisect the ranging rod at A. When I have exactly bisected, see, the bisection line is here at the center, but I will draw a line here which is very faint line, but remember this line is going towards A. Similar procedure I will repeat for the ranging rod at B station. So it has been bisected exactly from M. So I will draw a line towards B from M. So from station M.
So now N is marked on 20 meter distance, and we are having a peg at this particular N station.
Now the whole assembly is transferred on the other station, but mind well, as I have told you earlier, what you have to do is, this point should not come on a peg. This should come, ये जो triangle आएगा arc से, उसके अंदर नहीं आना चाहिए, उसके बाहर आना चाहिए. So I kept it on this line to some extent, so that I can mark that point easily with the U fork. This is the foot base, so you have to press the foot base so that the position of plane table will be maintained in horizontal way. So this is to be approximately done with the compass. This is called swing nut. Now with the table which I am going to mount here, so there is a threading at the bottom which is to be inserted, and then with a swing nut you just Do not tight it fully, but at least lock it. And repeat the whole procedure of leveling. Like now, first of all, again I will check the leveling of the table. So by keeping the spirit level in any one position, so let us see whether it is at the center or not. So we'll do the leveling and 90 degrees to this position. So first of all, this can be done with the tripod legs, which are to be kept. So it is at the center for this position as well as for the perpendicular position. Okay, so leveling is over.
Okay.
Now when you shift to the another station, say N, there are two ways to keep the paper on N station. The first method is orientation by magnetic north and another is called orientation by backside. So first of all, let us see orientation by magnetic north. Earlier one north was marked, so let us keep the trough compass parallel to the line which you have drawn earlier, and now turn the paper till it shows the 00th reading. Okay, so that is one way wherein you can say the table is oriented. But as you see, even though it is at the correct position showing north, but it is not showing 0. So there are maybe some magnetic forces nearby the area because of which this needle is get deviated. So sometimes this is not a correct method. So somehow I discuss or derive the another method called orientation by backsighting. So in the second method called orientation by backsighting, we have drawn two lines from M station towards A and towards B. So what I will do is, first of all, as a pre-decided distance, let us see that M to N was 20 meters. Okay, so at 20 meters, stop kara. From the earlier station, from station M, we have marked line towards A, B. Similarly, we have to draw one more line towards N by bisecting. So I have put the pen and then looking towards the peg at N station, I will draw a line which will be exactly towards MN. Okay, remember all the three lines should be passing through M. So from M I have drawn MA, MB and M towards N. Okay, now काय 1-1.5 मिनिटाचं काम आता या लाईन वरती ते 20 मीटर यायला पाहिजे सर. फक्त ऑन करा.
आता बॅक साईड
मला यूज
या साईडला घाला. थोडं अजून तुमच्याकडे
जास्त बंद करावं. ओके, एकदा आता दाखवा बरं. जसं ऑन
हे
करा.
घेऊ.
हां, दोन्ही करा. किती मिनटं झाली?
14:41.
बस अजून
आता
1 मिनिट घेऊ.
13.9 13.9 टेप.
फक्त टेपने मॅडम एकदा इकडे 0 घ्या, इकडे हे घ्या. प्रॅक्टिकल संपलं. हां, नाही त्यालाच घ्या, मी करतो मग.
पाणी असेल तिकडे.
मी मग अशी अंदाजाने ठेवलं होतं 14 मीटर.
ओके.
ते 13.5चा इथं होल होता ना,
हां.
ते 0.5 मॅच
ओके.
केलं. 13.45 होतं ना,
ओके.
आपण मग त्याच्या जवळपास यावं.
काय वाटतं?
आता फक्त व्हिडिओ ऑन करा,
हो.
दाखवा डिस्टन्स
आता
मोजतोय आणि
बघून
मग
घेऊ आपण
डिस्टन्स
किती येत
दाखवा.
आहे.
येणार सर,
येणार.
त्याचा बाप येणार. घ्या मॅप.
क्या बात आहे. हां. हां.
जस्ट ऑन करा व्हिडिओ आणि मॅडम पण दिसतील असं ऑन. थँक्यू. 13.9 डॉट.
एक्झॅक्ट.
तरी पहिल्यांदाच करतोय आता.
नाही सर, प्रॅक्टिस महत्वाची
हे
आहे.
घे रे भाऊ, झालं.
चलो डन डन डन. एकदम भारी झालं सर. नो एडिटिंग. महत्वाचं म्हणजे
डोक्यात आहे ना, एडिटिंग करायचं.
हां.
एक स्टेटमध्ये होतं सर.
ही फॅसिलिटी माझ्या मोबाईलमध्ये नाही आहे.
एक्सप्लेन करायचं. 10-20 मिनिटाचा हा व्हिडिओ दाखवायचा
हां.
आणि मग किती होतात 1 तास आणि मग उरलेले